Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and I'm getting ready to prepare for my trip to Costa Rica tomorrow. So what I want to do is, in this little episode, I want to show you the stuff I do on my site so it runs all by itself while I'm away, because when I'm in Costa Rica, I may not be able to actually have time to get online to update my blog or update my YouTube channel, that kind of stuff. So I want to show you a little plugin, a little tool that I use that basically allows me to run my blog on autopilot. Come on, let me show you. Okay, the plugin I use is called Post Calendar. And what this does is this gives you a calendar's eye view of all your blog posts and what's coming up. So you can see at the time I made this video, it's the 20th, May 20th. Right? And this is the blog post that's gone live today. So what I do is, over here on this side here, these are all the blog posts that I have not scheduled. And this shows all the blog posts that's coming up. So what I do is, if I want to find a blog post, I just drag it onto a calendar and it automatically pops in. So on Friday, the 25th, at 5 a.m., it will publish this one, and then 8 p.m., it will publish that one, but I don't want to do that right now, so I'll take it away. But that's how you do it. You see how easy it is? You just matter just drag and drop. Just drag and drop. Right? So what I did was, to get ready for my trip, I just dragged and dropped blog posts. So every day at 5 a.m., a new blog post will go live. So this is a blog post tomorrow after that, day after that. And I have them, actually I have them scheduled all the way until June 30th. So I have more than 1 month of blog posts all scheduled by simply dragging and dropping. And by getting a calendar's eye view, I can move things around. Like there was one blog post where I had this one, the part 1, part 2, part 3. But what happened was, originally it was like this. It was like this, like part 1, part 2, and part 3 didn't show up until there. So then I noticed that I said, oh, this should go here. So what I did was just to move it. I put part 3 here and moved this landing page 1 there, and boom. That's it. Fantastic. So even though I'm away, I may not have access to my online. I may not have access to get online. I know that every single day, a new blog post will appear thanks to Post Calendar. Post Calendar is a free WordPress plugin. What it does is it will just add a calendar tab or link to your post part of your WordPress blog. I mean, you click on it, it just shows up. So to install it, just go to your plugins, go add new, do a search for Post Calendar. It will show up, click install, and you're all set. Okay, I hope that little plugin helps you and it makes you look a little more efficient, allows you to take some time off and go on vacation, go to Costa Rica and have some fun, and knowing that your blog will continue to update itself while you're away. All right, John Chow with johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Like and share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in Costa Rica.